lesson, and I thought that it would be fun if we make some slime today. The things you will need are a bowl, something to mix with, some glue, some contact solution, or you could use detergent, some shaving cream you could borrow from your dad, some glitter, some craft sticks, some paint, and some food coloring. Or you can use either or. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is pour the glue into your bowl. Ew. Okay, the next thing is I'm going to put in my paint. You can stop there. So I'm gonna stop there. The next thing is my shaving cream. So I'm gonna put in my shaving cream. You can put as much of shaving cream as you want. So now you're going to go ahead and add the contact solution. The contact solution is so it won't be sticky, so it won't stick to your hands, or so it won't stick to anything. You want to add it slowly, because if you add it too fast, it might form hard. You could get the contact solution in Target or Costco. You can get it at a lot of places. This is how it's looking so far. You see how it's thickening up? That's how it's gonna start, so don't think it's not going to work, because that's how it's gonna start forming. Once you think you added enough and mixed it in well, you're gonna keep adding little by little until it gets the consistency that you want it to be. So now I'm gonna add some more contact solution. Remember, add it slowly and gently. This is how it's looking so far. Okay, now I'm going to add some more contact solution. now it's coming a little bit off the bowl, so now I'm gonna get dirty and use my hands. So before, I like to put some all around the slime. Then I rub it with my hand. Then I just take as much as I can off my hand and grab more contact solution. Okay, so here how it's looking so far. And you want to keep mixing because right here you might want to add more, but you don't have to, because as long as you keep kneading it, it's going to get more, it's not going to get sticky. I'm going to add a little bit more. That should be enough. Mixing, and just knead it until you like how your consistency is. This is how it looks. Okay. And as long as you keep playing with it, it's not going to be sticky. On to my next one. So now we're going to go ahead and do the clear one. So first, like the first one, you want to add the glue first. Ew! Somebody farted. Okay, that's it. I think my mom farted. Okay. Now I'm going to add pink. I'm going to add this pink one over here. Now I'm going to mix. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit of red because it didn't bring that much. Okay, so this paint, I added the red to make it more hot pink. So this is what it looks like now. Now I'm going to add some of the glitter and then I'm going to add the rest of the glitter after. I'm going to be using the red glitter here. This is how it is looking so far. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit right now, and then at the end, I'm going to add a little bit more. Okay, now I am going to be adding my contact solution. Remember, you want to add it slowly because then it could form too fast and come out hard. Guys, so I decided to add a little bit of shaving cream because it was taking a little longer. So right now I'm going to add a little bit more. And I'm just going to keep mixing until, like I said on the last line, it comes out to the good consistency. If you guys could see, it's working much better now. Yeah. Woohoo. I should name this Valentine slime. Who's my Valentine? Okay, now I'm gonna take it out and mix it. Okay, so now I'm gonna add a little bit of some more red glitter. Shake, 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 shake your head. Shake, shake, shake. Okay. That's how my slime turned out. Hey guys, hope you liked the video. Comment down below if you want me to do any more fun things for you guys. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!